Hey guys, would you like to know what can you do during the best hour of the day so that you can excel to great heights in your life? Hi, I am Preeti and you are watching this video on the 5 different things that you can do during Brahma Muhurat. This is going to help you to change your life exponentially. Okay, we are not talking about little changes, we are talking about huge changes. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you can do is study, and not just any studying. Try to study the topics that are very difficult to understand. If something is like very difficult, something is like very puzzling, try to understand that during the Brahma Muhurat. What happens is the energy of God, the energy of the Creator is working in that hour. And when you are trying to learn, that energy of the Creator is helping you to learn that. So that is definitely going to be a win-win situation if you are trying to learn something that's really difficult. I would suggest try to study religious books during this time, because see, Bible, Bhagavad Gita, Quran, and all the other religious books, they are not very easy to understand. Every verse that you have, it has like 3 to 4 different meanings, plus every verse will matter differently in different situations of your life. So it's best to learn that verse during the Brahma Muhurat. Then meditation. Meditation is the next best thing you can do during Brahma Muhurat. I think it's the first best thing to do. When you meditate during this time, the energy of the Creator is working along with you trying to focus. A lot of people complain that they are not able to focus, they are not able to meditate. Oh, people are so lucky they can meditate. I cannot do it. Why cannot I do it? See, during the entire day, there are a lot of different energies working based on the different hours of the day. But during the Brahma Muhurat, it is best that you meditate because the Creator's energy is working on this planet. And when you try to focus in meditation, that creative energy is going to put like 50%, 60%, 90% more power in what you are doing. Okay, so try to do that. Then the next thing is you can do is chanting. See, chanting is something that can bring very, very magical transformation in your energy system. And chanting is not something that works in a day or two, but when you keep on doing this like over and over, there are chances that your energy, not exactly chances, it is for sure that your energy changes and you bring more pure and more divine energies into your system. And when you do that chanting at the time of Brahma Muhurat, it's going to be 10 times, 20 times, I don't know how many times it's going to be more powerful. Working with crystals. So just in case if you are meditating or you are chanting, you can use a rosary that is made of crystals. And yeah, if you are going to work with chanting, I would suggest try to use quartz crystal because it has a very high frequency and it is very good for you to have while you are doing any spiritual procedure. Okay, so even when you are meditating, you can hold a quartz crystal in your hand, in any one of your hands or in both of your hands. You can place a quartz crystal over your crown chakra and do the meditation, just so that that crystal doesn't fall off. You can actually tie it with a string. Just do anything, just do anything so that that crystal stays and you can go deep into meditation. The next thing is silence. Now silence is something that a lot of people misunderstand. They just feel mourn or to stay silent. is something that it only matters if that you should not be talking with your mouth. But you should not be talking with your mouth. You should not be talking even with your eyes through the gestures of your hands. You should not be communicating even through your cell phone, through your computer. Leave all modes of communication on the side and practice Maun, practice silence during this hour of the Brahma Muhurat. Because see, if you're able to maintain silence, it has a lot of power in itself. Okay, you will realize how much that power is only once you start observing silence. Okay, so yes, so this is the video for today. I hope that you like it. Try to share this video with whomsoever you feel it's going to help, and I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.